Hey kids, today we're gonna do a really cool science experiment.
Science!
We're gonna go ahead and get started, and this is something that you can actually do at home. All you need is 7 cups. They don't have to be all clear and glass like mine. I just wanted you to see what's going on. You need some food coloring. It can be whatever color you have. It's better if you have red, yellow, and blue, but if you don't, that's okay. You're gonna need some water and some paper towels. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do is fill up every other glass with water. So not all of them, just every other glass. So 1, 3, 5, and 7. So I'm gonna pull the other ones back. And Maddie, I'm gonna have you fill these up. And you wanna fill them up almost full, but not all the way. So let's go ahead, Maddie, and you can fill those up for me.
Hey!
Maddie! Okay, I said not all the way. And you know, hopefully you guys don't make as much mess as Maddie because, you know, this is why I said paper towels. But okay.
There you go! They're filled up, right? That's what you wanted.
Alright, well now that we had them filled with water and we cleaned up the mess that Maddie made, hopefully you guys don't make as much of a mess, it should look like this. You should have the 4 with water that are filled up not all the way, and then the 3 empty ones in between. So 7 cups total. So now what we're gonna do is the ones that have water, we're gonna put food coloring in them. So I'm gonna put red in this one and yellow. And Maddie, could you put blue in this one? And I'll give you red for that one.
Yeah.
You just wanna go ahead and you just wanna make sure that it gets we're using the back of spoons. You can use a butter knife, but just make sure it gets a good color in there. It's probably better to use liquid food coloring, but this is what we had, so we're gonna roll with it. All right, you got your blue looks pretty good. Then here, I'm gonna give you red to put on your end one, okay?
Okay.
There you go, I already got some red on there for you.
Nice.
And then I'll do the yellow. All right, and you just wanna go ahead and make sure you have your colors there. And then make sure you grab your paper towels for the next step. And you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Nice. Wait, your red looks kind of pink. But that's okay.
We'll make it red.
All right, and then we're gonna grab the paper towels, and that's gonna be the next step. All right, so I hope you grab those paper towels, and I hope your water looks a little bit like this.
Yeah.
Now, you're probably wondering, okay, what's gonna happen? What are we gonna do? Maddie, what do you think is gonna happen and we're gonna do?
I couldn't really tell you.
All right, well then I'm gonna tell you what to do, and we're gonna see.
Okay.
So you're gonna take paper towels, preferably the ones you can select the size, and you're gonna fold it in half. So you're gonna fold it like that, and you're gonna fold it one more time. So it kind of looks just like that. So I need you to make 3 like this, Maddie. Okay? And so kids, you're gonna do that too. So you just fold them over. And I don't want you to put it in the water yet, because when you do, something's gonna happen.
And then you fold it another time, right?
Yep.
Nice.
And just hold on, just put it down for a minute and do it. There we go. All right.
Ah,
You know, I'll help you with this one.
no.
You got this, Maddie, I believe. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the paper towels and we're gonna stick one in one side and one in the other. One with the liquid and one with nothing in it. So keep going down and do it from one. And kids, watch the glasses because something's gonna start happening. Keep an eye on it. You watching too, right, Maddie? You wanna get it in there? Okay. Yep, one like that.
Where did this one?
Yep, from here into there.
Oh.
So we're gonna keep watching. Now what you may have noticed is, do you already see what's happening to some of the cups? Like the yellow, you can clearly see some of it's starting to come up here. And the blue, you can see the blue starting to move up the napkin slowly. And the red, some is starting to go up, the same over here. So we're gonna leave this for about a minute or so, and then we're gonna check out what happens to it. All right, kids, so we let them sit for like 10 minutes, and look at this. You already see ones that changed color here in the middle, the red and the yellow mixed, and it made orange. The blue and the yellow mixed, it made green. And the red and the blue over here mix to make purple. Can you believe this? Look at this.
What?
Isn't this
How?
awesome? It's awesome.
This is crazy. That looks so cool. How did this happen?
Right? See, and you know the ones you fill up all the way? They're only half full now.
Wow, that's crazy.
So see, kids, it's really cool to do this experiment because this one spread from this one to this one, and this one spread to this one. And talking about spreading, remember, we need to spread good attitudes. We need to spread the love of God. We need to be kind to one another. Maddie, have you ever been around someone who has a bad attitude?
Yeah.
How does it make you feel?
Bad.
Yeah, but what about being around someone with a really good attitude?
Makes me feel really good.
Right? And so kids, we need to make sure we're spreading good attitudes. Make sure we're spreading God's love. Just like this really cool experiment here that spread from one to the other. So kids, if you can try this, you should try it because it's really cool.
Hello, kids! You just saw our recent video. Awesome to have you. Well, I just wanted to let you know, if you can, kick that like button and smash the subscribe. And we'll see you next video.
Yo, I don't think it's gonna work.
It's gonna work, guys.
Hey, there's no way.
You watch, it's gonna work.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Lacey, think it's gonna work?
No.
Guys, it's gonna work. You see, you'll see. Hey kids, so we're gonna do a really cool experiment today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You didn't come in on time?
You didn't. What was that?
I was waiting.
That was all on you.
No,
there was
did he not know? He didn't know. You didn't.
No. You went and you're like.
Hey kids, we're doing a fun experiment today, and you're supposed to go, yeah, a science experiment! But instead you're like, you're shaking your head at me as I'm talking.
No, because there's supposed to be a cue. There was no cue. You're
Science
like,
experiment
No.
today.
supposed to